Hey everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas Day. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Okay, so this weekend visiting home, and so my parents live near Cambridge, so we are currently in Cambridge and we booked to go see the University Cambridge
Botanical Gardens.
Cambridge
Botanical Gardens.
Of course.
Cambridge Botanical Gardens.
Shush.
Botanical Gardens.
Shush. He suddenly thinks because we're in Cambridge you have to be so poor.
We are in Cambridgeshire. No, that sounds
every time we come, because okay, my parents live in Cambridgeshire, so every single time we reach to the sign that says Cambridgeshire, he turns into some posh man. I don't know. But anyway, so
what are you insinuating?
As per typical British weather, it is raining and I only have white shoes and I'm going to go to gardens, they're going to get muddy, it's going to be great. Got my mum's coat because I was not prepared for the rain. Baz had nothing. You just got a hoodie. To be fair, it's not raining right now, yeah, but it was raining on the way quite a bit, and so it's just very wet. So also I am filming on my phone, so quality, I don't know how this is going to go. I thought I had my camera in my bag, I got everything out and ready, and then I realized that the only thing that was missing was the main thing, was the camera. Anyways, let's go. Can you hold it, please?
On your tripod?
I didn't even see. Okay, so we're now in the Botanical Gardens. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm on this tripod. I'm not looking.
Yeah, how are you feeling about this place?
I haven't seen much of it.
Oh yeah, we just got it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice thumbnail. It literally starts and stops raining, and the camera's really low, so it literally starts and stops raining every like 3 minutes, and here is one of the times where it stops. So this is the biggest tree.
I don't know yet, or it says something about being the biggest.
Who needs a gorilla pod? You got, wow.
Ok. Com'era, come si chiama la situazione lì? Che hanno detto che la prossima settimana.
Okay, Baz is on the phone, but it's raining like crazy. He's over there. Please. Where is he? Where am I? Oh, he's over there. So he's on the phone, and so there's so many sleeping ducks. Oh, I'm so close up. There's so many sleeping ducks. I just want to show you some ducks. Anyways, it's very autumnal here. As you can see, there's so many leaves. I was just like using Baz as the tripod whilst he was on his phone to his mum. Anyways, it is raining like mad. Personally, I don't like hoods like this. This is my mum's coat, but you know these type of hoods where you just like, I can't see. Anyways, so I'm just gonna wait till he gets off the phone, and so in the meantime I'm just gonna stare at some ducks. This is a cute place. Stumbled across this thing.
That's right.
Oh, okay. Anyways, we're gonna try and make our way there because I feel like that looks quite cute. Going across these things in my white muddy shoes. Beautiful. I never like leaves, but I like how red these leaves are. This is a nice photo shoot spot. So Baz has been trying to take me to a maze, and he's like, this is it, this is it. And I'm looking, I'm like, where? Because for me, this is what I see. And I'm thinking to myself, I can't even see because the sun's in my eyes, but I'm thinking to myself, this is the maze. This is the maze. Look at this. How is this a maze? And I said to you, because you're so tall.
It doesn't even look like a maze, it's just a spiral.
It's just a spiral. Because I said to you, oh, you're going to be too tall for the maze, because usually mazes are not for your height and you can literally just see over it. But this is the maze. What is this? I'll meet you in the end. It is finally sunny.
Me, I can't see.
We went through how many different weathers?
Rain, cloudy.
Rainy, cloudy,
And sunny. Oh,
sunny.
Yeah, mostly.
That's England. You never know what to wear. So we went out of the way to get some bubble tea. So I got, first of all, bubble tea place that does not have pearls. Which was sold out for pearls. And I was like,
Yeah, I was like, what?
I stood there and I was like, oh. Then what do I get? Cold, I am frozen, my hands are frozen because we've been holding bubble tea throughout the whole. How long is the walk?
13 minutes?
13-minute walk. And it's
Probably 15 all the way here.
cold. And then on the way here, we saw the, what's the guy called? The traffic parking warden man.
Yeah.
Anyways, we saw the guy. And Buzz is like, oh, what time does our parking run out? Look at my phone. 2 minutes ago. But we're fine.
Yeah.
I think because it took a bit to get to our car because we saw him at the end over there. And I think the people a little bit in front
If
of
we
us.
wanted to give a ticket, it should have. Oh, that's the one. Well, it's the back is a bit different.
What's the one? Oh, the car you want. And yeah, so we didn't get a ticket, but I was thinking to myself, we could have.
Yeah,
Could
if
have,
you
so
wanted
could-
to, it would
yeah.
just stayed there until we ran out.
My parking runs out 3:58 and it was like 4:01 when I saw it, so 3 minutes. Anyways, how did you find Botanical Gardens?
What, me?
Yeah,
It was alright. It's pretty nice.
it's better than I thought it was, 100%, because I actually was not expecting much because I was thinking, what would they have? Because I always thought it was so small. What did you get? You got the matcha latte.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
With
both
red
just
bean.
got it with red beans.
Did you get
because-
grass jelly?
No.
What's the thing on top?
Ice.
Oh, I got no ice. Damn, with this cold, you got ice?
I was thinking about getting it hot, but then I was like,
No, it's
once I was in there, because you know when you come from somewhere cold and you go in there and the heating's on, I felt too hot in there. So I was like, I want it cold. And then I got it cold and I was like, oh no. Anyways, we are gonna head back home. I am hungry. Are you hungry? I'm hungry.
Yeah, I could eat.
Yeah. Let's eat some hot food.